Hello, Prepsters! My name is Devansh, and you are watching your wonderful channel, MathSips. So, as there are only 45 days left for your upcoming NDA 2 2021 exam attempt, so you have to clearly focus on your upcoming exam and prepare on war footing. And I will help you out in this journey by giving you videos that can give most output by investing less time, that is for final preparation. So this video can help you out in the vocabulary section. This is the series of the most important vocabulary words from each letter. So I have given you the letters A, B and C, that is the vocabulary words from letter A, B and C. And I have also given you the video in which I have given you all the hardest PYQ of the vocabulary. The hardest PYQ of the vocabulary. And if you can solve this video, then you don't have to prepare vocabulary, which means that your vocabulary part is strong. And if your vocabulary part is strong, then you can focus on any other section of NDA exam. So watch this video to check your preparation. So now moving to this video. In this video, as you are seeing that, I will give you the 10 important words from the letter D. So without wasting of the time, let's get started. Check out the playlist of the vocabulary section in the above link for knowing that video, which I have told you previously. So the first word of the day is debacle. First word is debacle. What is this? Debacle. So debacle means a complete failure, a crushing defeat. Means a defeat. That is failure or defeat. So I will give you a sentence by which you will get a complete understanding of this debacle and you will never forget it. So debacle sentence is, he faced a debacle in yesterday's game. That is, if a cricket match between two teams, then one team's win and other team debacles. That is defeated. So this is a sentence that is, he faced a debacle in yesterday's game. So debacle means failure or defeat. Number 2 is debase. Number 2 is debase. So debase means to adulterate or to lessen a value. That is, if a milkman debases, that is adulterated, that is mix something to decrease its quality. That is debase. Debase means adulterated. Adulterated. Adulterated or to make poor quality. To make quality poor. To make quality poor. So this is adulterated or to make quality poor. Debase is debased commodities are sold in the market. जो adulterated होती हैं, क्वालिटी पुअर क्वालिटी चीज़ होती है, वो मार्केट में बिकती हैं और ज़्यादा कब बिकती है? फेस्टिवल्स के टाइम पे. सो दिस इज द मीनिंग ऑफ डिबेस. दैट इज अडल्ट्रेटेड. मिल्क से आप याद कर सकते हैं. अगर मिल्कमैन उसमें पानी मिला के उसको अडल्ट्रेट कर देता है, यानी कि क्वालिटी पुअर कर देता है, तो आप उससे कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं. सो लर्निंग द वे. सो लर्निंग the vocabulary, the best way to learn the vocabulary is to connect it with your real life. That is your real instant of the life. Then it will become a muscle memory to your knowledge. So debase is done. So the third is debilitate. What is this? Debilitate. Debilitate. So debilitate means to make someone very weak and infirm. मतलब किसी को कमजोर कर देना, weaken कर देना. So weaken कर देना. So this word I have given you the synonym in the A letter word. That is from the A, which I have told you in the first video, which you can see in the link in the description box, or you can also check in the above I button. So abate means also debilitate. This I have given in the first video, in which I have told the vocabulary words from A letter. So abate means debilitate and it means weaken. Abate. You are seeing that 8. So this connection is there between these two and you can learn by this trick. That is abate, debilitate, and which means weaken करना किसी को, कमजोर करना. So the fourth word is decimate. Fourth word is decimate. So the fourth word is decimate. Decimate means to kill. To kill a huge number of something. Huge number of something. To kill. To kill a huge number of something or to reduce very heavily. So the population of endangered animals are decimated. They are killed. मतलब जो खतरा है जिन स्पीशीज पे उनको किल किया जाता है. किसके लिए? मनी के लिए. तो क्या होगा? डेसिमेट करा जाता है. किल करा जाता है मतलब डेसिमेट करा जाता है इन ह्यूज नंबर्स. किल इन ह्यूज नंबर्स कह सकते हैं. किल इन ह्यूज नंबर्स. The fifth word is defalcate. So the fifth word is defalcate. So defalcate means defalcate means to steal or misuse funds. To steal or misuse fund. अब इसको आप किससे कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं? You can connect this defalcate word with the politicians. That is, the public funds or the funds which are submitted by the people are defalcated by the political leaders. That is misused by the political leaders. Misused by the political leaders. So the sixth word is deplore. So the sixth word is deplore. So the deplore means to express strong condemnation. यानी कि निराशा प्रकट करना. Strong condemnation. दैट इज हेट पैदा करना या किसी का क्रिटिसिज्म करना. तो स्ट्रॉन्ग कंडेम्शन. सो डेप्लोर मीन्स स्ट्रॉन्ग कंडेम्शन. कंडेम्शन एन दिस इज एम कंडेम्शन. सो द सेंटेंस ऑफ दिस इज public deplored the casual steps taken by the administration for the safety of women. That is, they condemned, they criticized. So deplore done. So seventh word is deprecate. Seventh word is deprecate. Seventh word is deprecate. Deprecate means to criticize or expressing the disapproval of something. मतलब criticize करना. So deprecate means criticize करना. और इसका आपका सेंटेंस होता है everybody deprecated the death of a charitable man. That is criticized. They criticized the death of a charitable man. So seventh word is done. So the eighth word of the day is despot. Despot means क्या होता है आपका? तानाशाह. That is tyrant. That is tyrant. You can learn this word by the most dangerous tyrant, that is Hitler. You can learn this word by remembering Hitler. So despot means tyrant. Tyrant means also oppressor. Oppressor. So the Hitler was one of the greatest tyrant. Was one of the greatest despot भी कह सकते हैं. This is the sentence. And the ninth word is diffident. Ninth word is diffident. Ninth word is diffident. Diffident. So diffident means shy. Diffident means shy. And the antonym of diffident is confident. So it is a similar sounding word. So I am telling you that the antonym, that is opposite of diffident, is confident. The opposite of diffident is confident. So this is confident. He is too diffident to work in a company. That is, he is too shy to work in a company. So this is diffident. And the last word of the day is diabolic. That is diabolic. Diabolic. So diabolic means extremely evil. Extremely evil. You can also say this malevolent. Malevolent. Malevolent or extremely evil, cruel, atrocious. So I have told you 4 synonym of diabolic. Diabolic means evil, malevolent, cruel, yeah, atrocious. So the sentence from diabolic is: the police quickly mobilized to track down the diabolic serial killer. So this is from me. That is the 10 most important vocabulary words from the letter D. So I am pressing So I am pressing a great detail in this video because the vocabulary consists of 20 questions. Consists of 20 questions means 80 marks. So if 80 marks are covered, in a very efficient way, then you can score a high score in the NDA exam. Because vocabulary is easy to learn and it can be learned in a very less time. So you can give the focus in vocabulary, and if you know the vocabulary, then you can check your progress by watching my video of the hardest previous year, that is PYQ, from the vocabulary section. And if you can crack that video, then you don't have to prepare vocabulary, then you can switch to any other section which you need to prepare. So first of all, see vocabulary, and if you know, then you can change this section and don't prepare this, because these are the last 45 days and you have to prepare what you don't know, and you have to prepare in such a way that you complete it before 30 days are left, because in these 30 days you have to concentrate on revision, because repeated revision of the things you have learned is the key to success. So you have to be very focused in revision also and completing the syllabus also. So last 30 days keep for revision, and I have told you the importance of vocabulary, that is it is consists of 80 marks, and if you can score 80 out of 80, then this will be the icing on cake. So I am ending this video here, and please subscribe my channel and share with your friends so that I get motivated to make much more videos. So keep